Hello, my friend. Are you an expert? Consultants, accountants, coaches, I've got good news for you. If you want to achieve your dream this year for your business, please listen to me. I am inviting you to my webinar where I'm teaching how to find and close high-paying clients consistently until your practice is full. We helped a lot of businesses last year transform. Is it your turn? You learn how to take a complete stranger scrolling innocently on Facebook into high-paying client consistently and at will. So there is a method to the madness, and I'm gonna be sharing the secret sauce at this webinar. So what are you waiting for? Click below to register, and I'll see you at the webinar. Thank you and bye for now.